Good morning, sir. My name is Nabodit Sargar. I read in class 5 and my school name is Kendra Vidyalaya Banbari. Now I am going to talk about rainwater harvesting. Rainwater collect for future uses and this water will collect for watering the plant. This is the roof tank, this is the filtration tank, and this is the tank, and this is my garden. And I will check this. The water will be collect there, and this pipe, the help of this pipe, the water will be go there. With this help of this pipe, the water will be go in the garden. The water will be collect on this tank. And this tank will be filled up, and the help of this pipe, the water will be go to the garden. This is called rainwater harvesting method. Thank you.